Sleeves. Get $40 off. Hey, what happened? I thought I had already did this. I already did it. So we're gonna try Fresh Lays, which is sort of like Blue Apron, but Blue Apron, you had to prep the food, and it was just a bit too much. With this, it already comes prepped. $20 off. So $40 and you can switch. So we're gonna try the. Let's see, me and my daughter are gonna try the pepper steak, homestyle meatloaf, garlic, and chicken fajitas. We're probably gonna fight for this one, but let's put my information in and see what happens. Discount. Only know $50. Just see how the food tastes. And eating healthy, but I don't want to have to fix the food like Blue Apron. That was a lot. So with this, all you do is heat and eat. So look for some more videos to come up on how Fresh Lays actually works. Alright, so here's what we're going to get with this first Fresh Lays meal package. September 28th, they're going to deliver 6 meals. It costs $39.99. That's with a $20 discount. This is sort of like Blue Aprons, except for the food is already prepared. And this is a meal for 2. I got one for me, one for my daughter. If you're a single person wanting to try this and just wanted to get, like, you probably don't eat no more than 3 meals. So you can get the 4 meal package, which is 2 meals a week. And it is $39. It's $40. This package is 6 is regularly $60, which is still far cheaper than eating out. For me, let's say in 2 days, hell, sometime one day I spend $60 a day eating out. If I eat breakfast, lunch, dinner, and then go get a snack, that's easily $60 in a day. So $60 a week. I mean, you got to think of it like that. But 6 meals. I'm looking forward to this one. Chicken fajita. It's got a lot of stuff that if I tried to cook it, it'd be a friggin' nightmare, because I did it with the Blue Apron. And I ain't gonna lie to you, after the Blue Apron meals, I was physically tired of cooking them. Even when I cooked them and didn't record them, go through that whole process, it was actually tiresome cooking those meals. So with this deal, supposedly you're going to be able to get the box, pop it in the microwave or stove, and go for it. Looking forward to this meal. Steak, peppercorn, sauteed carrots, and French green beans. That's pretty simple, down to earth. I don't know about this gluten free, because I like my gluten, but again, it's supposed to be better for you, so let's do better for you. And it tells you the calories, the carbs. If the food tastes good, I might stick with this one, because I'm cool with the not having to go through the meal prep. Blue Apron was one of them things you might want to do with your family. Y'all, the whole cooking and getting to know each other in the kitchen, blah blah blah. If you just want to eat good and kind of cut back on some of your eating out and all the saturated fats and preservatives that's in the fast food, get some really quick meals, get some healthy meals in. All you need to do is like maybe twice a week eat you a good meal or 2. That goes a long way. So we're gonna try this out, man. Me and my daughter are gonna try out the Fresh Lays 6 meals a week pack, and I'm gonna cut back to 4 meals a week. So that'd be roughly two a piece, you know, and that's probably good eating 2 times a week. I mean, but even at 6 meals a week, that's, you know, 3 a piece. We don't eat 3 meals in the house a week now. we don't even eat one, maybe Sunday dinner. But with this, you're gonna get 2 to 3 good, naturally healthy meals, and all they got to do is taste good, and I'm sold. So look for some videos to come up on the Freshlies with the J Don't Know Better twist on how it tastes, because if it's shit, I'm gonna tell you it's shit. So anyway, check it out. Upcoming episodes on the Freshlies, and you need to start your YouTube channel. Peace out.